Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I was just decorating my room and basically now I feel super cozy and super welcoming in my room rather than just leaving my room and going outside and not staying in my room. Happy Monday! Today we are going to a trip. Basically, we are going to go and roam in park in the most shittiest weather ever. So we got the cake of Svetlana's. That's our teacher's birthday, and it's here. Looking little khara, but manageable.
В том году основным оружием Красной Армии была знаменитая русская трехлинейка.
So tell us, what are you ordering today?
Now I will order burger combo, I guess. Combo, no, I guess that one.
This one with
Yeah.
extra cheese on the fries?
Of course.
Wow, what
especially-
sauce?
I don't like sauces.
What cola? West sucker?
Of course, no. We suckers.
What happened to the hormones now?
It's good hormones right now.
Happy Friday! Today I have a practical class and a lot going in my day, so I'll be showing you how everything goes.
Когда стало плохо.
Не меру другие, не помню.
Здесь ранили что?
Нет.
Нет?
Ну, я здесь 5 лет.
I am going out to take some groceries. It's so sunny and the weather is really good. It's so summery weather, but tomorrow unfortunately it's going to rain. So I hope it doesn't rain and it stays so good like this.